Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Arkham Crypto's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Arkham Crypto's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Arkham Crypto login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in. After logging into your account, the home page of your Arkham Crypto account will appear on the screen. Zoom in and tap in your profile name that is at the top right side of the screen. On the next page, tap on Settings option on the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on Sign Out option right below the Delete Account option. This is how you can log out of your Arkham Crypto's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.